What's up guys, thank you for watching JGTechBlog. 12.1 just got released from Apple. It's the new update. We already updated it right now on my iPhone. I heard there's a lot of new emojis, there's a lot of new features they got on there that fixed a lot of bugs also that the 12 had. I don't know if you guys seen my other video, I'm gonna link it down below. There was a whole ton of bugs and it was slowing down phones and the battery was draining really fast on the initial 12.0 iOS that was released. But now with 12.1, they hopefully fixed all of that. We're gonna test it, gonna see what the new features, and let you guys know. Alright guys, so we've already updated to 12.1, introduces group FaceTime, adds 70 new emojis. Here are some that you can already see are added. Includes support for dual SIM with eSIM for iPhone XS, XS Max, and the XR. Basically the dual SIM is that if you're going to a different country, you know, they usually have like 2 SIM cards where you can use one for business, one for personal. You can do this on the iPhone now with the update. Let's go ahead now and show you guys some of the emojis that came out. So if I go to the keyboard and I click on the emojis, so some of the few that came out are, so this one with the hearts, this party one, this sad one, or like kind of mesmerized, and then this is one that everybody kind of like is going wild over. They don't know what it is. Tell me down in the comments, what do you guys think? I think it's a drunk person, but everybody's been saying different things, so let me know what you guys think about that. And so one more thing is I gotta show you guys that this is on 12.1 and this proves it right there. Also introduces some other bug fixes and improvements compared to the old iOS 12 that had a lot of issues, draining the battery, you know, it was having a lot of problems. So it's good that they finally updated iOS 12.1. By the way, I've heard that some people updated their Apple Watches and it was crashed. It became kind of like a brick. So hold off on upgrading on that until they fix it. Alright guys, thank you for watching. Make sure to hit that like button. Let me know what you guys think about the new updates and the emojis. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification button, and see you guys in the next one.